Ms. Fuchs, is it your position that the CFPB is not required under FACA to open up their meetings to Congress or the public?
The CFPB is an entity within the Federal Reserve System, and the Federal Advisory Committee Act does not require the entities within the Federal Reserve System to comply with FACA.
Well, it says the Federal Reserve System, right? So you're saying that you are an integral part to the cause and the reason why the Fed is exempt, which is setting monetary policy.
No, I'm talking simply about the way the law is structured. I'm not talking about the reason that Congress put that in place.
So are you prohibited from opening your meetings up to the public or to Congress?
The Bureau, with respect to the Consumer Advisory Board, the Bureau has certain sessions that are open to the public. And
that's my question. Are you prohibited at the CFPB from opening up your meetings to the public?
We're not prohibited.
So you can open them up if you want, you just choose not to.
The Bureau has certain meetings which are open to the public.
That's not my question. You chose to shut down some of the meetings, right?
And it's my understanding as well that members of the committee staff have attended those public meetings.
And those meetings aren't discussing monetary policy, right?
Not that I'm aware of.
And those aren't meetings discussing covert operations in the CIA as well, right?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. I have a riddle for you. What do tap water, your glasses, and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau all have in common?
I do not know.
You don't know? Well, there was a blog 3 years ago, April 6, 2011, on the CFPB website, and the answer is they're all better when they're transparent. Well, dirty glasses are annoying, dirty water is annoying, and a dirty CFPB is really annoying. And if you're not transparent, which you have claimed the CFPB would be, and you're not, is of great concern for this committee. I look, Credit Union Advisory Council meeting, no agenda, no notice of meeting, and a 6-page summary of just glossary facts of what took place. You have a Community Bank Advisory Council meeting, no agenda, 9 pages of very glossary ideas of what took place in the meeting. The FDIC, Mr. Osterman, they have a similar meeting, and they give an agenda. They give 20 pages of pretty detailed summary of what takes place in the meeting. And you're talking about the same issues. FDIC, full disclosure with an agenda. CFPB, not at all. You look at Academic Research Council, no agenda. Do you know how long the minutes were from that meeting? It was 2 pages. One a cover page, and the other barely a paragraph from the minutes. And the CFPB comes in here and says, we're open, we're transparent, we want to disclose. I would suggest that you use your discretion and you open up these meetings. Let us see what kind of advice you're getting, who's giving the advice. I think that would serve the CFPB well, it would serve this committee well, and it would serve the public very well if you did that.